Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to do split screen effect on Capcut. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, you have to add a video to your Capcut. And after that, go to overlay and then add another video. Now once you select another video, just drag and fit it in screen. Now after that, just click again your overlay and then find the mask. Now click that and click the horizontal, and as you can see, you can adjust it the way you want. You can also adjust the angle of the split. You can also move it freely the way you want. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.